Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. This is Dorian to give you the latest on what's happening in the NEAR ecosystem. This is NEAR Bytes. Today on the agenda we have a NEARCON summary and overview of the event, including information about NEARCON Hackathon and the launch of the Sweatcoin token, NEAR's involvement with Devcon in Bogota, information on MetaBUILD, information on a new NEAR freeCodeCamp curriculum, and a new smart contract development tool created by the NEAR Foundation's new engineering team. With that, let's get started. So comes the end to the second NEARCon, and I want to say I'm very happy to connect with members of the NEAR ecosystem in person. So to everyone watching here that got to meet in person, I want to say it was a very amazing pleasure and honor to see you. So the start of NEARCon was quite the storm, literally. The venue of the event was located in a warehouse along the water in Lisbon, Portugal. Lots of spaces for stages, company booths, and hacker spaces, and even a yoga area. Lisbon is normally a very sunny city, and it's usually an amazing destination for this event. Every time I go there, I get a lot of fun. It's really exciting, except for the week we happen to be there. A hurricane had just dissipated, releasing a flurry of rain onto the city, and the warehouse roof leaked with a bunch of the clogged drain pipes bursting on the scene. Half the space was blocked off, unfortunately, and we had to deal with a lot of flooding. I honestly thought the show was over. I was really concerned. We put a lot of work into this event, so just to see it all get literally washed out was heartbreaking. But what was incredible was how the event staff turned things around so quickly in the same day. Like within hours by the afternoon, they already had people working on the roof to patch up the holes, clean up all the water in the area, and get all the booths and even the hackerspace mostly dry. And what was even more inspiring were the actual members of the ecosystem. They kept working, kept going, and kept coding even while water was falling around them. So eventually, like I said, most of the event space was dry and most of the roof was patched up, and the event kept going. So day one started off rough, and again, coming from me, I thought it was all over. So it was really exciting to see the entire process get turned around and get back on track. And what was really cool about NEARCON was all the innovations I got to see during the event, all the connections that are being made, and all the, again, just seeing the members of the community come to light and meet together in person. At NEARCON, we had a live hackathon for the developers in attendance, and a good number of teams were formed, and just above 90 project submissions were made. The top 10 teams were able to pitch their projects at the Dragon's Den on stage from Marik, the head of the NEAR Foundation, Alex Rubchenko, the CEO of Aurora, and Ilya, the co-founder of NEAR. Even though only 10 teams were selected for direct pitching to these three, in total, in combination with the primary hackathon tracks and the sponsor bounties, there were about 17 winners for the hackathon overall. Myself and other members of the Pagoda and NEAR Foundation were able to assist these builders with development during the hackathon. And for me, I was impressed with the creativity and the talent I saw on the floor. I was also really happy to see how the new SDK.js has progressed and how far it's come for implementation in this hackathon. I'll definitely encourage you to check out the hackathon winners in the dev post link in the description below. Sweatcoin launched their token at NEARCON this year, which is pretty awesome to see. Sweatcoin, if not familiar with it, is a work-to-earn platform which rewards users with Sweatcoins just for walking. The Sweatcoin platform boasts almost about 100 million users to date, and the conversion rate is about 1,000 steps per coin. Previously, their test tokens were simply used to be exchanged for awesome deals you can find in the app's marketplace, but as of September 13th, Sweatcoin officially launched its token. It's exciting news because Sweatcoin app users now be able to earn real sweat tokens just for walking and engaging with the application. You can read more about Sweatcoin and how their platform works in the link in the description below, and download their app today. So now that NEARCON has ended, what's next? The agenda keeps running. You can find us next week at Circle's Converge conference in San Francisco, where NEAR will be making a presence. Alex will be one of the speakers there, along with our very own Josh Ford, who will be talking on Pagoda's NEAR SDK.js library. Ilya himself will also be making a presentation at Converge, which you do not want to miss. Shortly after, Devcon in Bogota is also coming up, and at Devcon, NEAR, Pagoda, Aurora, and MetaBUILD and other members of the NEAR ecosystem will not only be attending, but they'll be hosting a separate space in a nearby Hilton. At that space, you can find a variety of talks from all sorts of projects across the NEAR ecosystem. You can also find live office hours for developers who are interested in learning how to build on NEAR. RSVP in the link in the description below. There's limited capacity, so be sure to act fast. Last but not least, MetaBUILD is on. Submissions are open this Friday, September 23rd for a full month. Hack away and participate for your chance to earn over $1 million in prizes and the chance to join an 8-week acceleration program for your project. So this bit of news has me particularly excited. NEAR has a curriculum coming to freeCodeCamp. And in this curriculum, you'll be able to work on 10 interactive projects that'll guide you on the process to becoming a builder on the NEAR protocol. You'll be able to learn NEAR's tools such as a CLI, writing smart contracts, deploying smart contracts, and more. The first course is available now. Check out the link in the description below for the article describing the course, and be sure to sign up on their Google form to stay up to date and releases of their latest NEAR courses. I, for myself, have already signed up. Jacob Lindell from the NEAR Foundation has just announced the first release of the NEAR Contracts Tools Crate to help make writing Rust smart contracts that much easier. This project is driven forward by the NEAR Foundation's newly formed engineering team. This team for the Foundation has a primary goal of providing in-house software development to accelerate the NEAR ecosystem. The NEAR Contracts Tool Package is a collection of common tools and patterns in NEAR smart contract development, and in it you'll find things like storage fee management, and owner patterns, role-based access control, macros for NEP 297 events, and even macros for NEP 141 and 148, which are standards for NFT and fungible tokens respectively. This code is still very much in its early stages, and the newly formed NEAR Foundation engineering team is still looking for people willing to test this library out for its 1.0 release. If you're interested in becoming a tester or getting involved with it, you can find out more information by following the link to the governance page in the description below. You can also find the GitHub link in the description below as well. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what you guys want to see more of in the NEAR community. Thank you and have a wonderful day.